A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Sir.
Can you hear me? Okay. Good morning. Okay, you see, early morning, normal time. The tunnel turned sharp left. I went down a short flight of stairs. I went down, this is imagination, his hallucination. I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level. So, in his hallucination, in his imagination, in his dream, he reached the third level. First flight, down flight to first level, then again one flight down, that is second level, again he went down, that is third level. So such bottom. So came out the third level at Grand Central Railway Station. For just a moment, I thought I was back on the second level. For a moment, I thought I was back on the second level. But I saw the room was smaller. So he thought he was in the second level. Just a moment he looked, so he could recognize, he could realize the situation is different. The rooms were small. There were fewer ticket windows, ticket counters. Ticket windows means ticket counters. And train gates, entry to the platforms. So then he realized that this is totally different from the second level. And the information booth in the center was wood and old looking. Nowadays it is fabrications, isn't it? Wherever you go, you will see steel fabrication, aluminum fabrication works. So he went to the third level and he realized that it is different from second level. How did he realize? The office is maintained and furnished with wood, old wooden furniture. And the rooms were very small. The structure is old. So he realized that this is not first level, this is not second level, this is third level. And the man in the booth wore a green eye shade and long back sleeve protectors. So attire is also different. The lights were dim and sort of flickering, not like today's light, dim light. Some years ago, if you look at the pictures of the houses, you may not be able to see tube lights. It would be very difficult to see tube lights in all the rooms. You would be seeing that ball bulbs which produce yellow light. Yellow light. In the good olden times around, I would say around 40, 50 years ago, if you look, you will not see. That is why sometimes I tell you, when you spend time in front of your laptop, go back to 50 years our villages, you will be able to assess third levels. So that is why he says, there is a dim light. Then I saw why. There were open flame gas lights also. Gas lights. Open flame gas lights. During those time, you see, very good that you should go and see. You will be able to see where do you stand now, where you have reached now. You will be able to know what all things you are enjoying now. Then if you compare the past history and present history, 90% of your complaints will be off, I would say. 90% of the complaints would be off. This lesson teaches us like that. This is my innermost thought, just I got it now, a connotation. So the man went to the third level and he experienced everything of the past century, 20th century, where there were no floodlit lights, where there were no modern furniture or fittings or rooms, nothing. Now you see, you look at your room, the furnishings you see, which all furnishing you have, cupboard, you have an attached bathroom, washroom, well designed. All your needs are there in your bedroom, fully furnished. And you go to a house 50 years ago. That may be a small room, nothing would be there. Maximum there would be a wooden almirah, that's all. That almirah will be in the parents' bedroom. Parents, not bedroom, parents' room. Washrooms will be outside. Outside. Maybe a tap if it is a good house. You see, if you look at the marriage functions or something like that, you would see people sit outside on the courtyard with open gas lights, Petromax. And there would be people who look after the Petromax, pumping the kerosene. Now what is there? Within seconds you will make your surroundings a floodlit stadium, isn't it? Within an hour, you can make your compound a floodlit stadium. You see the change. Still we have complaints. Still we feel that we don't have. Am I right, Anthony? Am I right? We think, isn't it? Still people lived at that time. Aryan, isn't it? If we get a laptop, we are asking, no, this mobile, this laptop has no speed. I want a speeder laptop. If I get a gaming laptop, I would be much happy. Probably in gaming, or isn't it? People are thinking like that. When you read this, you have to relate this to our life. This is not in the textbook, but we have to see. See, he had recognized this is not second level, this is not first level, because of the presence of the atmosphere there. There were brass spittoons on the floor. There were brass spittoons on the floor. What is brass spittoons? Where the people prepare meat. Now if you go to the hotels, you will see grilled chicken, isn't it? Grilled chicken. It is on the road, isn't it? And it is on the fire. So brass spittoons on the floor, and across the station, a glint of light caught my eye. A man was pulling gold watch from his vest pocket. So he had a glint of eye. He had a look. He had a look. What did he see? An old man has taken a watch from his pocket. Now you show the watch on his wrist. This is what is called wristwatch. During that time, people carry small clock. Rijas, have you seen? If you go to Kozhikode, you will see. Old people carry clock in their pocket, not cock. And nowadays, you people are carrying cock, isn't it? Broiler chickens, isn't it? Clock, that means a small timepiece. That is a watch. Small timepiece, this much size. Small timepiece. And with a chain. and with a chain. And the timepiece will be in the pocket. And the chain will be locked with the shirt. Whenever he wants, he would take the timepiece from his pocket, he will remove its cover and he will look at the time. There was a time like that. And they would decorate their chest with the chain on outside the shirt. So it will be clipped here and the chain will be hanging like this and it will be in the pocket. He takes the pocket like this and he opens, see the time, he keeps inside. That shows ancient period, last century. You see here, a gold watch from his vest pocket, chest pocket. He snapped open the cover. He opened the cover, glanced at his watch and frowned. He looked at the watch and he remembered something. Looking at the time, he might have thought the train is gone. So he frowned his eyes. He had a serious look, frowning the eyes. When we look with astonishment, when we look with the tension, when we look with surprise, what will happen? Or when we have a curious look, all these things, curious look, surprise look, with wonder, we will keep our eyebrows closer, isn't it? This is called frowning. We have already studied frowning. So he looked at his watch and he frowned. He wore a derby hat, a particular type of hat. He wore a derby hat, a black 4-button suit. Nowadays, the suit will have 2 buttons only. Coat has 2 buttons only. Nowadays, formerly it is not like that. Coat is with length and there will be 4 buttons. That means such coat will be just above the knee. Formerly, people wore coat up to knee. And in the modern, you just think, in the modern time, that came up to his waist. When most modern time comes, I don't know, again the coat will be shortened and it may come up to chest. See the change of time. So from the dress, from the attire, we can detect, we can recognize the time. You take the style of people who lived 50 years ago and you take the photos. Seeing the photos, you will be able to tell the time. Meenakshi, am I right? Looking at the time, looking at the dress, we will be able to realize in which period they were living. That is why here all the details of the dress is given. You see, 4-button suit with tiny lapels. What is lapels? A kind of cloth that is kept around the neck here. Sometimes you might be seeing some lieutenant colonels and all these things. They may be keeping a red and black handkerchief, not a handkerchief, some scarf folded here and it is here and coat is here, isn't it? Have you seen? Like that. Such kind of things are called lapels. And if you go to Rijas again, if you go to Kozhikode, Kannur area, you will see people keeping the towel folded and keeping at the collar. Have you seen? Not now. You take the photos. You take in all the places, not only Kozhikode. I want to call Rijas, that's why I called him. So, olden times, around 30, 40 years ago, if you see, people won't keep the No, it's okay? Punya? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Punya. Okay, it is okay. If you don't, Punya had done a very good work from action. She showed me. So, so you see, in good olden times, people take the handkerchief folded triangular shape and they keep it on the back of the collar. You may be able to see, in order to protect the collar from dirt. And whenever they take food, after the food, they may take the handkerchief and they may wipe the hand, and again they fold it and keep it there. So from the nature, from the style of life, we can recognize in which time they were living, And he had a big black handlebar mustache, very long mustache. All these are typical type. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 century. 18 or 19 century, 90 century. 1890 something. That is age, old time. I never saw so many beards, sideburns. What is sideburns? Sideburns, should I show somebody here? I do not want to call. Making the hair long and hanging till near the ears. That is sideburns. If you have sideburns, it is better to cut it. There are some girls, funny girls, Shivani, fun. There are some funny girls. They may also make some sideburns. Usually girls grow long hair and they cut it and they keep it on the sides. Seeing these funny girls, now boys are doing like that. So please, girls, grow long hair and put a rubber band on it. Grow it. Don't make boys cuts. Let the boys develop boys cuts and girls may develop girls cuts. Nowadays the girls are interfering into boys' activities more. That is the thing. That is the reason. So looking at you, they are also growing their hair to sideways. Don't have what? Sideburns. Okay, you see Sania, how she has kept her hair very beautifully tied properly, isn't it? Sania comes nowadays. Okay, mom. Okay, Sania. Okay, and fancy mustaches in my life. A woman walked in. A woman entered. A woman walked in through the train gate to the gate. That is platform, the gate at the platform, train gate there. To the platform she came. She wore a dress with a leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her high buttoned shoes. It is for girls. She wore a dress with a leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her high buttoned shoes. The length of the frock was up to the ankle. Now how is it? As the time goes ahead, the length of the frock is coming shorter and shorter. Shivani, it is coming shorter and shorter. And I don't know when it comes 22nd century, what will be the next fashion. So you see, from the fashion, and we say it is fashion. Fashion becomes a fusion, isn't it? Fashion becomes fusion. We have seen fusion dance, isn't it? Fusion dance, fusion songs, isn't it? No fusion songs. Fusion dance is there. Okay, okay. So, back of her, out on the tracks, I caught a glimpse of a locomotive. So, behind her, I saw a train, locomotive. Locomotive. Locomotive is used for train, that you know. A very small Courier and Ives locomotive, a particular name, with a funnel-shaped stack, underline, funnel-shaped stack. It is not the name, but the funnel-shaped stack, old carriage. And then old funnel-shaped stack means in the olden times things are carried. Hay is carried by train and it is kept in a funnel shape. Everything the paragraph tells you about a period of ancient times. And you have to understand that our Charlie is imagining, dreaming something, a past history. He is not in the present situation. Clear? To make sure, I walked over to a newsboy, paper boy. I walked to a newsboy and glanced and looked at the stack of papers at his feet. So, to my curiosity, I went to a boy who is selling out newspaper. It was the World. The newspaper I saw it was the World. The World hasn't been published for years. Nowadays, you would not get the World newspaper. Nia, Anna, Michael, switch on the video. Nia, where is Nia? Switch on the video.
Sir, my internet.
Switch on the video.
So I'm keeping the video.
So, the newspaper World is not published for years, but now he sees the boy is selling out the World. That means the World newspaper was sold some years ago, a century ago. So he is standing in that century. He is standing in that century. The World hasn't been published for years. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. In the front page, the lead news, the main news on the newspaper was about the President Cleveland. Cleveland was the 22nd American president. Cleveland was the 22nd American president who lived in 1885. 1885. You see, in the above paragraph, he told the dress seemed to be 1890. And the newspaper shows the news, the leading news about President Cleveland. So the newspaper should be of 1890. So where does he stand? Charlie is standing at 1890. Some people may go back to the ages. Sometimes I dream. I wish to be an LKG student. Sometimes I dream. So what? I will go and sit in the LKG class and I would be able to get to first rank always. Isn't it? When LKG students learn ABCD, I can write ABCD. Isn't it? I dream. I dream to go back to 60 years back. Do you want to sit in LKG, UKG? You don't want to sit in LKG, UKG. You see here. The leading news was something about President Cleveland. I have found that front page since in the public library files. And I had seen this newspaper in the public library. In the government libraries, they keep all the newspaper. Now I don't know. Generally in the old libraries, if you go, you will see the collection of leading newspapers. It will be bound and kept it in the archaeology. So he says that he could find such newspaper of 1894, 1885 in the public library. It was printed in June 11, 1894. So when Charlie went to the third level, what he says third level? He says third level. When he reached, it is in his hallucination, it is his dream. When he reached there, he saw, what did he see? He saw the newspaper, The World. And its printed date is June 11, 1894. Our Charlie is now in 20th century. The paper is of 19th century. I turned toward the ticket counter. Then I went to the ticket counter, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central, thinking that this is the third level ticket counter. Thinking that, I went to the ticket counter. Why did he go to the ticket counter? Can anyone say? Why did he go to the ticket counter? We have already seen. Can you take the sentence from the previous page? Why did he go to the ticket counter? The answer is in page number 2. Can anyone read it? That sentence? Answer sentence? Punya? Answer sentence?
Wanted to get home.
Unmute.
Wanted to get home.
Yes. I just wanted to get home to Louisa. And the trains to suburban areas go from where? Third level. So he went to take a ticket. See, I turned toward the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central, I could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States where we want to go. So he wanted to take the ticket in the year 1894. So he had to travel in the year 1894, living in the year 19 something. And I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. Underline. He wanted to take 2 tickets to Illinois, Galesburg. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.